Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello my dear student. Today we'll take a first revision on algebra and probability on Prep 3. The first, answer the following question. Number 1, choose the correct answer from this given. One of the solution for the two equations x minus y equal 2 and x power 2 plus y power 2 equal 20 in R by R is. The first of all, to solving these equations, we must obtain x with y. Then the first equation, x minus y equal 2, we can write or rewrite this equation as x equal y plus 2. We move the y to opposite side by inverse its sign. Then x equal y plus 2. This equation number 3. We can replace x in second equation by x in third equation. Then x power 2, we can rewrite it by y plus 2 or power 2 plus y power 2 equal 20. Then these two pieces, we can rewrite it y power 2 plus 2 times y times 2 equal 4y, 2 power 2 equal 4 plus y square. We can moving 20 to opposite side and inverse its sign. Negative 20 equals 0. Then y power 2 plus y power 2 equal to y power 2 plus 4y and plus 4, positive 4 and negative 20 equal negative 16 equal 0. Then we can factorize this equation. First, we can divide by 2 for two sides. Then divide by 2 equal 2, divide by 2 equal 8. Then the final equation is y power 2 plus 2y negative 8 equal 0. Then the constant negative 8, we search two number, multiply it equal 8 and subtract it equal 2. Yes, 4 and 2. Then we can rewrite this equation after factorize y power 2, we can rewrite it y and y, 8, 4 and 2. 4 take the same side in the center, then plus y negative 2, y plus 4 equals 0. Then y equal 2 or y equal negative 4. Then the answers is 2 and negative 4. Number 2. If A intersect B equal phi, then A different B, then probability A minus B or different B equal. In this case, if A intersect B equal phi, then probability A subtract or different B equal B A, or probability of A. Number 3. If x power 2 plus kx negative 21 equal x negative 3, x multiply x plus 7, then k equal. In this case, if we multiply 7 and x and add multiply negative 3 and x times 7 equals 7x. Negative 3 times x equal negative 3x. Then equal 4x. Then the result for k is 4. Number 4. If 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over xy equal k over xy, then k equal. In this case, we can adding 3 fraction by common denominator. Common denominator in this case is xy. Then we can write the solution for adding 3 fraction by xy divide x equal y multiply 1 equal y plus xy divide y equal x multiply 1 equal x plus xy divide xy equal 1 times 1 equal 1. We can comparing this solving and this solving, then we can obtain the value of x is y plus x plus 1. Number 5. If 5 power x negative 3 equal 1, then 2x power 2 equal. To obtain 1, the power must be equal 0. Then x negative 3 equal 0. Then x equal 3. The value of x is 3. Replace x by 3. Then 2 times 3 power 2 equal 2 times 9 equal 18. Then the result is 18. If the width of the rectangle is 3 cm and its diagonal length is 5 cm, then its length is, this is a right angle triangle. This right angle obtained it from the rectangle. This is a rectangle. Width is 3 cm and the diagonal is 5 cm. Then we need the value of length. We can obtain the value of length. We can use Pythagoras theorem in this case to obtain a length. Then 5 power 2 negative 3 power 2 equal 5 power 2 equal 25, negative 3 power 2 equal 9, the result is 16. To obtain the length, we must take a root. Root of 16 equal 4. Then the result or the length is 4. Number 2. By using the general formula, find R the solution set of the equation. By using the general formula, find in R the solution set of the equation. What is the general formula? General formula: x equal negative b, positive or negative, the root of b power 2 negative 4ac over 2a. What is the a and b and c? A is a coefficient of x squared and b is a coefficient of x and c is a constant. Then x multiply x negative 2 equal 1. We can multiply x to the parentheses, then x times x equal x squared minus 2x. We can moving 1 to opposite side by different sign, then negative 1 equal 0. Then a equal 1, b equal negative 2, c equal negative 1. By replacing b and a and c in this general formula, we can obtain a value of x. Then x equal negative b, b equal negative 2, then negative b is 2, positive or negative, root b power 2 is 4, negative 4 times 1 a times negative 1 c equal 4 over 2a. 2 times a equal 1, 2 times 1 equal 2. Then 2 positive or negative, root 8 over 2. Root 8 equal 2 root 2. Then x equal 2 positive or negative, 2 root 2 over 2. We can divide numerator and denominator by 2. Then we can obtain x equal 1 positive or negative root 2. Then the solution set equal 1 positive root 2 or 1 negative root 2. If nx equal x power 3 plus x over x power 2 plus 1, positive second fraction x power 2 plus 2 x plus 4 over x power 3 negative 8, different cubic. Then find nx in the simplest form, number 2, showing the domain. What is the steps in this case? The steps, step number 1 is a factorize. We must factorizing 2 fraction. Number 2, our step number 2, finding domain. Step number 3, simplest form. Then step number 1, factorizing. Then n x equal, this numerator we can take x is a common factor. Then x power 2 plus 1. Denominator not factorizing, x power 2 plus 1 plus. And this numerator can't factorizing. Then x power 2 plus 2x plus 4 over x power 3 negative 8 different cubic. We can obtain small two braces and biggest two braces. In the first, x power 3 negative 8 take cubic root equal x negative 2. In the biggest, x power 2 2 power 2 equal 4. This sign we must inverse it. Negative, then positive. 2 times x equal to x. Yes. Step number 2, the domain. In this case, domain is are different zeros of denominators. In this case, denominators equal zeros, x negative 2, then x equal 2. Then the domain is r different 2. Step number 3, simplest form. We can cancelling x power 2 plus 1 with x power 2 plus 1 and x power 2 plus 2x plus 4 with x power 2 plus 2x plus 4. Then the result is x over x negative 2. Okay. Number 3a. If the set of zeros of the function f of x, x power 2 negative ax plus 9 over bx plus 4 is 3. The set of zeros of the function and its domain is r different 2. Find the value of the each of a and b. The first, the set of zeros of the function. We must equal this function by zeros. Then x power 2 negative ax plus 9 over bx plus 4 equal 0. Then x power 2 negative ax plus 9 equal 0. The information of this problem is function of x, the zeros of function of x equal 3. Then we replace x by 3. Then 3 power 2 negative a times 3 or 3a plus 9 equal 0. 3 power 2 equal 9. 9 minus 3 minus 3a plus 9 equal 0. 9 plus 9 equal 18, and moving it to opposite side, then 3a equal negative 18. Divide by 3 for two sides. Then A equal 6. Then A equal 6. And its domain are different too. Then B x plus 4 equal 0 and R different too, then x equal 2, then 2, replace x by 2, then 2b plus 4 equal 0. 2b equal negative 4, divide by 2, then b equal negative 2. Then a equal 6 and b equal negative 2. If nx equal x power 3 negative 8 over x power 2 negative 3x plus 2, divide x power 3 plus 2 x power 2 plus 4x over 2x power 2 plus x negative 3. Find nx in the simplest form showing the domain. First, we must factorizing the fractions. Then n of x equal different cubic. Then we can factorize it as x negative 2 x power 2 plus 4 plus 2x. X power 2 negative 3x plus 2 open 2 parentheses x power 2 x plus 2 and 1 obtain the same negative sign. Divide x power 3 plus 2 x power 2 plus 4x. We can take x as a common factor. Then x power 2 plus 2x plus 4. This is counterfactorizing. 2 x power 2 plus 3 negative 3. We can factorize this quad equation by 2x power 2, 2x and x, negative 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. The biggest take positive. Then two x positive 3 x negative 1. Then we can obtain a domain equal are different zeros of first denominator and zeros for numerator and denominator second fraction. Then zeros from this denominator is 1, 2. From this fraction is 0 from x and 1, I write it, and negative 3 over 2. Third step, flip this fraction. Then x negative 2 times x power 2 plus 2x plus 4 over x negative 1 times x negative 2. Divide, flip 2 times, then x negative 1, 2x plus 3 over x power 2 plus 2x plus 4. Okay, we can cancellation this x negative 2, x negative 2, x negative 1, x negative 1, then the final is 2x plus 3. 4a, if n1x equal x power 2 plus 5x plus 6 over x power 2 plus x negative 2, and n2x x power 2 negative 2x negative 15 over x power 2 negative 6x plus 5, is n1 equal n2 and why? If we need to check n1 equal n2, we must satisfy two steps. Number one, domain n1 must be equal domain n2. And after simplify n1 and simplify n2, we must find n1 equal n2. Step number one, factorize n1. Then factorize n1 x equal, we can factorize the numerator, x power 2 x dx, 6 is positive, then 3 and 2 positive. Denominator, x power 2 x and x, 2 is negative, then 2, 1, 2 is positive and 1 is negative. Domain is r different 1, negative 2. N 2x equal, factorize numerator, x power 2 x and x, negative 15, 3 and 5. 5 is the biggest, take negative, and 3 take the inverse. Denominator, x power 2 x, 5 is positive, then 5, 1, negative. The domain d2 هنا هيبقى d1 d2 r different 1 and 5. d1 not equal d2, then n1 not equal n2. If A and B are two events of the sample space of random experiment, and PA equal 1/4, PB equal half, and PA union B equal 5/8, find each of the following. Number one, PA intersect B. The formula equal PA plus PB negative PA union B. Then PA equal 1/4 plus PB equal half. Subtract 5/8. Then the common denominator is 8. 8 divide 4 equal 2. Multiply 1 equal 2. Plus 8 divide 2 equal 4. Multiply 1 equal 4. 8 divide 8 equal 1 times 5 equal 5, but negative. Then 2 plus 4 equal 6. Negative 5 equal 1. Then the final is 1/8. Number 2, P, B, subtract A, or different A. This equal P, B, subtract B, B intersection A. Then PB equal half negative. We obtained 1/8, then 1/8 B intersect A equal, the common denominator is 8. 8 divide 2 equal 4 times 1 equal 4 minus 1 equal 3/8. Number 3, P of A union B complement. This formula equal 1 minus B A union B. PA union B equal 5/8. Then 1 minus 5/8 equal 3/8. Number 5A. Find algebraically in number 5A. Find algebraically in R by R the solution set of the following two equation. Find the algebraically in R by R the solution set of the following two equation. X negative y equal 3, x power 2 negative xy equal 21. We can take y is a common factor. Then y is a common factor. Y negative x equal 21. Y negative x, x negative y equal 3. Then y negative x equal negative 3. Multiply negative 1. Then y negative x equal negative 3. Then replace y negative x by negative 3. Then negative 3y equal 21. Divide by negative 3. Then y equal negative 7. Replace y in any equation to obtain the value of x. X, the first equation, x negative 7 positive 7 equal 3. Moving 7 to opposite side, then x equal negative 4. The solution is negative 4 and negative 7. Number B, find in R by R the solution set of the following equation algebraically or graphically. In this case, we can obtain a value of x and y graphically by drawing two tables for x and y like that. Y equal x plus 4 and x equal 4 negative y. We can write a sum value of x and obtain another value or opposite value for y. We can replace x by negative 1, obtain 3, replace x by 0, y equal 4, replace x by 2, y equal 6. And in this equation, replace y by 1, then x equal 3, replace y by 3, then x equal 1, replace y by 4. This values from my mind, any values you can write it. Then we can draw these two straight lines as follow. Table number 1, x negative 1 and 3, negative 1 and 3, 0 and 4, 0 and 4, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Connect 3 points to obtain a straight line, L1. The second table, 3 and 1, 3 and 1, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 0 and 4, 0 and 4. Connect 3 points to obtain a second straight line, L2. Two straight line is intersect in a point 0 and 4, 0 and 4. Then the solution set is 0 and 4 ordered pair. My dear student, we finished this first revision on algebra for prep 3, and I hope do another revision on geometry. Thank you and see you. Goodbye.